Hello country boardwalkers and welcome to my studio. Today I'm outside on January 12th planning to do a real quick bird sketch of some birds that are sitting and eating at the various feeders around the yard today. I've got a quick simple setup. I'm just using a regular clipboard with a piece of paper taped down. You could also use a piece of cardboard, or I've got my bigger landscape size clipboard that I shared with you on my 15 favorite Christmas gifts for your plein air artist. So it's supposed to snow later tomorrow and the next day, so I promised you guys I would do a bird sketching. So while it's the last semi-sunny warm day, we're I think at 40 degrees today Fahrenheit. I'm not sure what that is Celsius for you Europeans and everyone else around the world. But I thought we'd do some plein air sketching of some cardinals and goldfinches and a few other birds that like to come and visit the feeders today. So sit back and we'll see what we can do today. apologize today. We have the military flying over with their helicopters. This is a regular thing here since I live near the National Forest, and that they have a practice field nearby, and they're practicing this week in the city of Oxford down the road. So that is what you're hearing in the background, along with my dog Boone barking at them. He's always barking at them when they come regularly during the summertime. So I apologize again for that noise in the background. I don't know if you can hear it, but we have some goldfinches, some house finches. But as I was saying at the start, it doesn't take very much equipment to really just sit out and begin your plein air sketching. It could be as simple as a little clipboard like I have here, the little landscape clipboard, or a regular little 8x11 clipboard even. And just tape your paper down onto it. And then just sit outside on your front porch like I'm doing and just sketch your surroundings. Just take time to enjoy the outdoors. You're not working on a masterpiece. It's just a study. Just enjoy trying to draw what you see. And don't worry too much about details. Just look and focus at shapes. The shapes that you're seeing. So, if you've enjoyed this video of plein air bird sketching for my first video of the new year of 2024, could I ask you to please hit the like button or share this video, or hit the bell notification and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications of my upcoming videos for the rest of this year. I look forward to doing more plein air videos and maybe even taking you out this later this spring to Puskas Lake down the road so we can do some plein air sketching of the landscape there and maybe the ducks and the geese out that way. Appreciate all the support that you've given my channel last year, and looking forward to expanding my videos and artwork this year. Thanks again and have a great week.